Attention business owners and entrepreneurs. Nigerian talents are available at incredible prices, but this opportunity won't last long. With the ongoing reengineering of Nigeria's economy and changes in global currency valuation, you can access Nigerian products and services at unmatched rates. Nigerian professionals excel across various fields, including technology, engineering, entertainment, arts, education, and more. This unique offer is temporary, so don't wait. For all your business solutions, marketing and services, web solution finance, and cost-effective personels, all ERP solutions, and latest technologies. Call or WhatsApp Kajopo AI in Nigeria at +234 905 555 2524 or visit www.kyopo.com. Or contact La DILM Solutions 208-352-3466, www.ladiom.com in the US. Act quickly. This opportunity is not for long. This is Moyao reporting from New Jersey, USA.
Nigerian talents are on sale. Act now.